Hello Subme! Today I will show you how to buy SUB tokens using your own smartphone and with a little help of Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap exchange. Let's get to it! First, download the Trust Wallet app to your phone and create the new wallet on Binance Smart Chain. Then, remember to write down your seed phrase as it is the only way to recover your funds. So, store it safely. Once you create your wallet, go to the application and click Buy. Now you'll see the list of multi-crypto assets, so pick the BNB, the Binance coin. Pick the amount in USD which you want to buy the Binance coin for. Click Next. You'll be redirected to the payment provider website where you can pay for your BNB tokens using Apple Pay or credit card. Just simply click Accept. Now your BNB tokens should safely arrive to your Trust Wallet. So we can go to the PancakeSwap. This is the decentralized exchange which is used for swapping and exchanging the digital assets. So once there, click Connect Wallet in the top right corner and pick the Wallet Connect option. This is when our Trust Wallet will connect to the PancakeSwap exchange. Simply press Connect and then accept the connection. Then get back to PancakeSwap exchange and get into the trade option in the menu in which we pick the exchange. Out there, we can finally exchange our BNB tokens to the SUB tokens. So let's just pick the currency, paste the SUB token address into the field above and click Import. You will find the correct smart contract address of the SUB token in the description of this video or at the official Subme project website, subme.cash. Now, to successfully buy SUB tokens, just simply select a currency, pick the SUB, and then pick the amount of BNB you want to swap, and confirm. That's all, simple as that. Remember to add SUB smart contract address to your Trust Wallet so you can see how many SUB tokens you have left. Well, that's all. See you later.